I am Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we adding some important news.
Adding news from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia have signed the historic strategic mutual defense agreement, building on the historic partnership extending for nearly 8 decades based on the bonds of brotherhood and Islamic solidarity, as well as a shared strategic interest and close defense cooperation between the two countries. HRH Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Crown Prince and Prime Minister, and His Excellency Mr. Mohammed Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, signed the Strategic Mutual Defense Agreement. This agreement reflects the shared commitment of both nations to enhance security and to achieve security and peace in the region and the world. It aims to develop aspects of defense cooperation between the two countries and strengthen joint deterrence against any aggression. The agreement states that any aggression against either country shall be considered an aggression against both. For more updates and news, like and subscribe our channel Saiban News HD.